Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 4 power a plus 4 power a equals 64 and we have to find the value of a. So let's start with today's video solution. So 4 power a plus 4 power a equals 64. So if I'll take this 4 power a as common, so 1 plus 1 equals 64. So 4 power a times 2 equals 64. Now if I'll divide both sides by 2, so it becomes 4 power a equal 32. Now 4 I can write it as 2 square whole power a equals 32 as 2 power 5. Now as per exponent rule x power m power n is equals to x power mn or x power n power n. So this left hand side becomes 2 power 2 times a equal 2 power 5. So it becomes 2 power 2a equal 2 power 5. Now if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So to calculate a, we have to isolate it. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So a is equals to 5 by 2, or you can say that 2 whole 1 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.